Hello, my name is Jogani Priti, and I am here to give you a closer look on the topic, a study on evaluating public sector banks using Eagle model. Here are some keywords from my title. Firstly, the listed public sector banks. The banking sector plays a vital role in economic stability and growth by ensuring the flow of money and credit throughout the economy. There are a total of 12 public sector banks, and the research will be conducted by analyzing the performance of all these companies using the Eagle model. Secondly, the Eagle model. The Eagle model in finance is a framework used to analyze and evaluate a company's financial performance and position. Eagle stands for E, which is efficiency, which measures how effectively a company uses its resources and will be measured by calculating asset and inventory turnover ratios. Secondly, A, which stands for asset quality, which evaluates the quality and composition of a company's assets. This can be calculated from fixed asset turnover and current asset ratios. Third, G, growth, which assesses a company's revenue and earning growth potential. This can be identified by calculating earning per share of the company. Next, L, which stands for leverage, which examines a company's debt and equity structure and can be measured by debt to equity interest coverage ratios. Lastly, E, which stands for earnings quality, which evaluates the sustainability and quality of company's earnings, which can be evaluated by calculating return on equity and return on assets ratio. On the next slide, we have some objectives for conducting this research. First, we will analyze the performance of the selected companies and compare them with the other companies. And secondly, we will evaluate the companies on the basis of parameters like leverage, asset quality, efficiency, etc. Main source of information for this study is secondary data, and the fundamental information of the bank will be taken from their official websites, and other various sources of data will be online journals and previous research reports. Using that, required ratios will be calculated, and after applying statistical tools like ANOVA, t-test, we will be able to analyze and evaluate the financial performance of companies using the Eagle model. There are some of the research papers which I have reviewed to get some better clarity for this research. First, it was titled Using Eagle's Model to Evaluate Financial Performance of Selected Public and Foreign Sector Banks, which was published in 2021, and it was written by Ankita Ben Vinod Bhai Mistry and Alka B. Kshatriya. And in this paper, we could have seen that the foreign banks always excelled over the public sector banks in India. Another one was titled as Financial Performance Analysis of Private Sector Banks in India, an Eagle Model Approach, which uses ANOVA test to assess differences across banks and finds there were significant variations in their performances. And also there were a few more papers which I have reviewed which showed similar kind of patterns and revealed there was improvement in asset quality or efficiency, or there were differences across banks when it was compared to each other. Thank you.